Hello! We're back with a really awesome product, EMAI Smart LED Light Bars. Here we have the stand for the bars. Seems to be durable. Here are the bars. Again, durable but still lightweight. Here we have a more permanent method for installation. These puppies are powered via USB. I'll be installing these today using the stand method. All we do is match the narrow side of the stand to the wired side of the bars. The wire should slide in nice and snug. To use the adhesive method, just line up the notches, lock it into place. Then you would remove the backing and apply. On the back you also locate the on and off switch. Let's check them out in action. Once the app is downloaded, click register, agree to terms and conditions, enter your email address, enter the verification code sent to your email, create a password. Then you could click on add device, select auto scan, allow your location access, click next. Once successfully added, click done. Now we can access all 16 million colors, 0 to 100% dimming, has 15 scene modes. You could even sync your music to them. Now let's check them out in the dark. These would be great for family night, gaming tournaments. These can even be a perfect addition for all the content creators. Make sure to check out what we have next time.